I'm going to show you how to use the TRS Alignment Bar today. This is a 2019 850 Polaris Axis with a Boondocker Turbo. We'll see how far off the alignment is. As you can see in the primary, I believe it's off quite a bit. This is my clutch alignment kit right here today. These are the tools you're going to need to get the project done. Make sure that your tether is unhooked, your kill switch is down, and your ignition is off. A little tool lets you get the button out, help you get more access so you can get the secondary out. Everybody knows you need to remove the belt first, and we're going to take a look at the witness marks on this belt and go from there. Just to show you what the witness marks show according to the clutching, which to fine-tune your setup, you'll need to watch your witness marks, and you may have to move your secondary in or out. But if you look, you can see there's barely any witness marks on this side. In fact, what I can see here a little bit right way down here. So if you look at the other side, you can see the witness marks way up here. So you want those even on both sides, which this tells you that your secondary's out of line. We have the TRS Alignment Bar installed. There'll be a few pictures following this part of the video to show you how to get it on your primary. If you look, we probably have 120 to maybe 140 thousandths gap between the secondary and the lineup bar. Way to check what it's off. So these just slide in there between the bar and the secondary. It's 141 thousandths that is too far in. There's multiple ways you can check it. You can use a caliper, measure from the outside edge in, and then measure this distance and deduct it from the overall, and that'll give you an idea what you need to put behind the secondary. Behind this secondary, there was 174 thousandths originally. We're going to add 141 thousandths behind it. With the 141 thousandths added behind it, we're tied up against the bar, just barely maybe a half a thousandth in there. We have added 141 thousandths behind the secondary to get it out to the alignment bar. Now we need to add 141 thousandths to the retaining bolt so we can maintain that 30 thousandths float outward from where the secondary meets the bar. With the 141 behind, we've maintained our 30 thousandths worth of float. These clutches are leaving a lot of performance on the table. With the black marks in here, I would take Scotch-Brite and clean this up. Do a little maintenance on your clutches. I do it daily on all of mine. Wash the belts, Scotch-Brite, blow out my primary. Now's a good time to check. What you should do daily when you're cleaning your clutches is take a look at your rollers and make sure the bushing is on both sides of the roller. I don't know if we can see them in there right now. Yeah, I see one. It's kind of difficult, but check all those things. Make sure that your primary spring isn't broken, which we've seen a lot of lately. Just look everything over, blow out your clutches, clean them with Scotch-Brite, and you'll be a happy camper.